Hello everybody, we are glad to welcome you on the HardReset.Info YouTube channel, and today I would like to demonstrate how you can update Zoom app. So to begin with, open the Google Play Store or respectively the App Store if you are an iOS user. Then over here just look for the Zoom app page by entering the respective query. And once the app is found, open its page as I mentioned earlier, and if there is any update to be downloaded, you will have the update button over here. In my case, everything is up to date, and fortunately I do not have this button currently, but don't worry, you'll have it if there are any new instances of the app or any new stuff that is pending or waiting to be downloaded. You can also make it so that you will not have to manually update Zoom. Just at the apps page, tap on these three vertical dots and turn on the enable auto update box like so. And that will mean that as soon as the new update kicks in or gets released, comes to life, it will automatically be downloaded on your device, thus your Zoom app will be automatically updated. So let me quickly try to show you how this update button will look. So I probably should have a couple of apps that are available to be updated. So let's see this one. And that's the button that you'll have once there will be any pending update. That's how you'll have it instead of like uninstall and open buttons. Alrighty, so that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.